Natural Stone Veneers International is proud to introduce the King Cutter. This revolutionary masonry tool saves you time and gets the job done right. The hardened steel edge works with all types of masonry products, and the unique design reduces vibration for efficient trimming, always leaving a natural edge. Increase your productivity by reducing the amount of time it takes going up and down the scaffolding in the course of a workday. That means reduced saw time, as well as practically eliminating the noise, dust, and mess. There are 2 points to secure the tool to a convenient work surface, along with 1 lanyard point attachment to ensure worker safety when using on scaffolding. The King Cutter has an integrated handle for safe and easy mobility and only weighs about 25 pounds. Use a box shroud and the King Cutter makes interior jobs quick, clean, and easy. No more running outside to the saw for every cut. Save yourself time, money, and get the job done right. The King Cutter. Go to nsvi.com or call 1-877-923-2800 to order yours today. The King Cutter, proudly made in the USA.